Hi students. So finally, after many disruptions and the COVID, NTA could conduct the exam and the results are out.
So my dear students and parents, congratulations.
We all wish you heartiest congratulations for your amazing result, and let's have a look at how the Vedantu results look like.
547 total JEE Advanced के selections. Isn't it amazing? Isn't it inspiring for all of you who are watching this?
547 selections बहुत बड़ा number है. This results is not just results. It's actually a way of telling the students that this is just the starting point. The next year, this is even going to grow bigger.
ध्रुव की rank 43 आई. 5 students got within 500 rank. और 50 बच्चे 2000 के अंदर.
I thank all the parents for placing your trust in us and for believing in us. These results is a tribute from all of us at Vedantu to you.
So बच्चों, wish you all the very best.